Well, good afternoon and welcome from beautiful Greeneville, South Carolina. It's a beautiful February winter day here at rvmax.us. And why am I here? Well, a viewer contacted me and wouldn't take no for an answer because they wanted an inspection on a 2008 Foretravel. So I boarded a flight in Phoenix about 3 o'clock in the morning, flew all the way across the country. He picked me up and we did an inspection from the late afternoon into the evening on this beautiful Foretravel. It was his first foray into RVs, and so of course he picked up a beautiful motor coach. And he was really concerned that he was going to do something wrong, and he was very adamant that I help him out. And I was happy to help him out. There he is right over there. So we just finished up the inspection. We went underneath, took a look at everything. And I think they're coming to a deal right now. I will try to spill a little bit, just a little bit of his time. I'll take you on a quick walkthrough on the inside. So if you look on rvmax.us YouTube channel, the owner's son Mayan already did a fantastic walkthrough showing you the entire layout of this. He even did a video up on the roof too. I'm not going to do that for you guys because I don't have my ladder with me. While the exterior of the RV is absolutely stunning, it's the interior that really sold the potential new owner. Just like me, he has a great appreciation for the well-maintained cherry hardwood cabinetry, non-peeling upholstery. Now this dinette does not extend out, nor does it turn into a bed, but it's very comfortable and very well upholstered. On the floor down below, at a dramatic angle, this is not real hardwood flooring, but vinyl composite flooring, so it's easy to clean and maintain. And it does go the entire length of the RV back to the bedroom. Now, even though the dinette table does not extend, this little work desk right here for the recliner does extend. There is a table leaf in the closet for that. Now, even though I have said that Foretravel seemed to have a little bit lower ceilings, this one seemed to have a pretty high ceiling. And the new owner is 6'2" or 6'3", and he had no problem walking around in here. Another critique I usually have for a Foretravel is their galleys or the kitchens aren't really set up completely brilliantly, but this is a nice setup right here. It has an asymmetrical under countertop mounted stainless steel sink. I do like having one small sink if I can't have one big sink. That way you can have more countertop space while you still have a sink over here. It does have propane on this unit, so it does have a 2-burner propane stove top. This is a Princess stove from the marine industry. And of course this is a solid surface Corian countertop. Same thing on the backsplash, it just has a contrasting color on it. Right above is a brand new GE profile convection oven microwave. A lot of storage drawers underneath. Now while both of us were a little bit surprised that there's no dovetail joinery on the drawers, it is high quality cabinet grade plywood used for the box. Just rear of the galley will be the refrigerator. This is a Dometic side-by-side. It is an RV refrigerator, runs on propane and 110 power. It does have an ice maker for it, and it does work still. Just across from there will be the monitor panel. This is an updated Xantrax RS 2012 inverter down in the basement. The contactless monitor panel above, and even the surge protector is built into the new transfer switch down in the basement below. And this is even equipped with an Oasis hydronic heater, water heater. Moving past here into the bathroom, I do like it. It is a split bathroom, which means you have the vanity and the shower and the toilet separate on its own. But all the bathroom is separate from the living room up front and the bedroom at the rear. For me, this countertop looks sleek and modern, and you could probably find it in a new RV today. Naturally, it has mirrored backsplashes, but mirrored medicine cabinets above. One of the big problems is that the shower door did fall and break at some point. You can see it left its impact on the Corian shower walls there. The new owner is already aware of that. I think they have a plan for the shower already. But in this water closet right here, this is a porcelain Dometic electric toilet, so you can add water or you can flush it with a switch on the wall there. What surprised me is that I was expecting a combination washer dryer, but this is a standalone washer with a dryer right above, and those are fairly modern too, so I don't think these are from 2008, and those have been upgraded. Moving further past to the bedroom here, we have switched to carpet, which I do like in a bedroom. This has a north-south facing queen-size bed. Now on the wall at the foot of the bed, you'll find the bedroom TV with a lot of storage space and drawer space over here, with even a linen closet right here that's accessible from the bathroom here. This does have 2 slide outs on it. The second slide out is the closet. It has sliding mirrored closet doors. One of my favorite features is that it has nightstands on both sides of the bed, so you don't have to worry about where to put your cup at night or your phone to charge at night, with that handsome real cherry hardwood on the headboard and storage above. It even has a very unique ceiling package that I don't see in Foretravel. If I'm being honest, this 2008 Foretravel is giving me nothing but 2009 country coach, a luxury motor coach vibes. And I think if you didn't have those insignias right there and you took pictures and sent them to people, you could probably convince people that this is a country coach RV and not a Foretravel. All right, but I don't think this is for sale anymore, and I think we did our walkthrough. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The new owner is having a blast out there and has decided to take this back home to Florida. I do want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to rvmax.us. Got the owner here.
Oh, it's this way right now?
It's that way right now.
Oh, it is. You flip it back and forth. Wait a minute. I'm not the owner. There's a boss lady. Oh yeah, she.
Hey, you don't like Clemson, right?
No, we don't like Clemson.
Okay.
They're
I see you, you went out of your way on the concrete too.
It's supposed to be orange. I'm gonna wrap it orange.
You're gonna wrap it orange.
Yeah.
This guy don't like Clemson, does
Yeah, we don't like Clemson.
He's got to see the shoes,
Yeah,
jacket.
yeah.
He's got the Clemson
Hey.
glasses. Hold on, he's got the Clemson.
He's got Clemson everywhere.
Clemson
Yeah.
rod. He's got a Clemson golf cart.
But we met your son, Mayan.
Mayan, yeah. He's out picking up mud home.
He went out to get another RV.
Thank you, James.
Hey, well, thank you. Really pleasure to meet you guys.
We've been watching your video for a long time.
All right, well, as long as you weren't saying mean things. Now, you won't send me any bad reviews or comments if you're unhappy, right?
Oh no, you set expectations right. You said it's good for now, but
Right.
maybe by tomorrow it might not be.
Right. Expectations are here, and we're going to exceed them without a problem.
That's right.
Right?
That's right.
All right, well, thanks a lot. I didn't even get your...
Sachin.
Sachin, right?
Mayan's dad.
Mayan's dad, that's what I was... Congratulations on your brand new Foretravel.
He's the man.
He
Well,
gives you a 5-year warranty on everything.
Bumper to bumper, he says
Yeah,
the
you can
cream
buy
puff,
No,
cupcake, nothing wrong with it, just like factory built it.
Cream cake.
Right, we set expectations high now.
Yeah, that's one God makes those motorhomes. Right? In heaven, yeah.
Nobody makes those. With the new owner of a 2008 Foretravel Nimbus 338, right?
And hey, we appreciate you coming out.
And this is Greeneville.
Huh?
Greeneville?
Greeneville, South Carolina. First time for you in Carolina.
First time in South Carolina.
Yeah. Man, we appreciate you.
Yeah, he flew me out.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you.
By the way, while I'm pitching, I'm going to have an RV place in Western North Carolina, in Bryson City.
Beautiful mountains, right?
It's beautiful. It's called Serenity Ridge Cottages. We just put the website up. We're going to have a few spots for friends and family, and we're going to be putting some park model RVs. Come out to Bryson City. It's awesome out there. We'd love to see you.
They call it Little Switzerland.
It's unbelievable.
That area.
It's beautiful.
Where's that again?
It's about an hour and a half west of Asheville.
Okay,
It's in Bryson City.
North Carolina.
Bryson City, right in the Smoky Mountain National Park.
I'm about to come visit you when you
Come
get
on
going.
out.
I'm going to do it. All right.
All right.
But you guys always ask me to look at more Foretravels, but they don't come up very often, so I had to share this one with you. Thanks a lot for watching.
Man, I'm not buying this. I'm gonna go look at some more.
So you just want to hang out in all my videos now?
Yeah, James. I really love this coach, but I really enjoy hanging out with you and looking at these things and picking them apart to the nth detail.
But it's so easy to pick them apart.
So I think what I'm gonna do is pass on this coach, just so I can go and hang out with you and look at another one. And I just might continue to do that. It's so much fun.
I don't know. I think everybody would be upset if you passed on this 2008 Foretravel Nimbus 338. That means it has 38 feet in length, right? Hello. Don't I think you found one of the better ones on the market. Shower door.
Yeah, you got a couple nits. This is low
You,
mileage.
you think you
40,000
could really
miles.
pass on this?
No,
I know. I don't think you can.
the bones are too good.
We'll even let them see what it looks like on the outside. This guy wouldn't take no for an answer. He kept insisting that I come take a look at it in South Carolina.
RVMax.
RVMax.us, not RVMaxus like I always say. There's a little bit of checking in the paint, but he's aware of that. Otherwise, the paint's just immaculate. Look at that, Nimbus 338. It's an RV, so it's a never-ending art project, constant project, but like you said, got good bones.
It's got good bands, and hopefully we have many years of enjoyment in this bus.
I have no doubt about it. It'll get you to Florida at least.
That's right. That's right. James, thanks for coming, and I appreciate you doing the trip.
Well, I appreciate a beautiful little area, beautiful 2008 Foretravel. We look forward to seeing you enjoying it. You're going to start your own YouTube channel now, right?
Yeah, I mean, I don't have anything else to do. I'm retired now, so other than fixing my RV, maybe I'll go on YouTube. Maybe.
Go on YouTube.
You've inspired me.
All right. Well, thanks a lot. I enjoy this.
Thanks, James. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Congratulations.
Thanks.